Hello, Reno fam. Thank you very much for coming back. Thanks for the support. Please stick around for longer so you can get to the end of the project. So here there was flooring being done for the walk-in closet and also the bathrooms. As you can see, it's wooden floors. We moved in without the floors. So the walk-in is just an open space at the moment. So here on, Javi needed his office, obviously, because he works from home sometimes. So he ended up helping with preparing the floors because he realized that if he does not pitch in, it will not be done and he will not have an office and it's very noisy. He needed a space where he can actually be able to work. So whenever he got a chance, he was able to assist here and there. It did help a lot because at least they were able to finish the floors in time so that when he works during the week, everything was okay. So here we kind of like pretty much did everything by ourselves, especially when it comes to cleaning. So every cleanup we had to do it ourselves because we're already staying here and we can't just sit and say, oh no, they have to come and scrape out the cement, whereas we have to sit on balcony. And so a lot of cleaning up, we have been doing it by ourselves, unfortunately. So Mona, they decided for the balcony, the outside balcony on the other side, on the other wing, will be extended because the one that was there was too small. This also means that the wall will be broken to straighten up the wall. You will see, you guys, when we do the comparison. So yeah, this is a version of the walk-in closet and also the bathroom. Now that it's done, at least, even if it's not completely done, we have to shot the mirrors, we shot the LED lights that we wanted and everything. But whatever that you are seeing right now is actually helping us have a normal bathroom. Also you can see we also put cladding, black cladding behind the tub, which makes it very nice. So I love my black and white colors. So we're still going to put on LED lights there by the bathroom, by the tub, and also by the shower as well. So yeah, stick around. So now, while others were inside, others were working outside, they had to do plastering from the front gate because, the place has to look a bit livable from when you at the gate. So a lot of plastering was done throughout this week. Also, now the rubble that was there by the balcony, the small balcony, has now been moved because you can see that the extension is already up now. So some of the rubble will be put there by the extension and some will be thrown by the garden because we need to level a few places by the garden. So Mona, there's a wall that from the dining room and also the living room. So that wall was a bit skewed, or rather it had a corner. So now this wall has been broken down completely so that it can be straightened up to match the new extended balcony that has been put there. I will try and get pictures just to compare the now and the before. As you can see here, like there's no wall anymore. It's just an open space. They're going to build up a wall to match up with the new extended balcony as well. So this week there was a lot of dust that was happening. There was a lot of breaking that was happening. So you can imagine staying in a place like like this and having to deal with this on a daily basis is not very nice. But unfortunately, we had to endure because, like I said, we cannot pay a hotel and a mortgage as well. And also, even if we wanted to, this project is now dragging for longer than I thought it would. Thanks for watching, guys. Please keep on supporting. Cheers.